Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting new challenge that explores the dynamics between QQQ, QLD, and TQQQ. Recently, one of our subscribers suggested three fantastic stocks: SMH, VGT, and MGK. These options intrigued me because they tend to weather downturns better than TQQQ and SOXL, with lower fees to boot. Among these, MGK caught my eye as it closely resembles QQQ. Initially, I contemplated starting the MGK challenge, but after careful consideration, I've decided to kick off a new challenge: QQQ versus QLD. Many TQQQ investors advocate for QQQ or QLD as potentially offering better risk-benefit profiles, especially during market downturns. So, let's delve into a comparison. I asked Copilot AI to compare QQQ, QLD, and TQQQ. Copilot AI responds that QQQ tracks the performance of the Nasdaq 100 index, which includes large international and U.S. companies in sectors such as technology, healthcare, and consumer discretionary. QQQ is suitable for long-term investors who want broad exposure to the Nasdaq 100 index. QQQ has a low expense ratio of 0.20%. QLD seeks returns that are 2x that of QQQ. It aims to deliver triple the daily returns of the Nasdaq 100 index. QLD is designed for short-term trading and is best suited for day traders. It is not intended as a buy and hold investment. QLD has an expense ratio of 0.95%. TQQQ seeks returns that are 3x that of QQQ. It aims to deliver triple the daily returns of the Nasdaq 100 index. TQQQ is built for short holding periods and is best suited for day traders. It's an instrument used over intraday timeframes, not as a buy and hold investment. TQQQ also has an expense ratio of 0.95%. In summary, QQQ is suitable for long-term investors seeking broad Nasdaq 100 exposure. QLD is designed for short-term trading and offers leveraged returns. TQQQ provides even higher leveraged returns but comes with additional risks due to its 3x leverage factor. Then, I asked to compare QQQ, QLD, and TQQQ regarding their historical performance for 1, 5, 10, 20, and 30 years, including their fees. The response was that QQQ YTD return. QQQ achieved a 7.65% return in the year-to-date period. 1-year return. Over the past year, QQQ returned 37.26%. 3-year annualized return. QQQ delivered an annualized return of 10.36% over the last 3 years. 5-year annualized return. QQQ's 5-year annualized return stands at 19.69%. 10-year annualized return. Over the past decade, QQQ yielded an annualized return of 18.66%. QLD YTD return. QLD achieved a 12.15% return in the year-to-date period. 1-year return. Over the past year, QLD outperformed with a return of 71.98%. 3-year annualized return. QLD's 3-year annualized return is 10.30%. 5-year annualized return. QLD's 5-year annualized return is 29.27%. 10-year annualized return. Over the last decade, QLD delivered an annualized return of 30.64%. TQQQ YTD return. TQQQ achieved an impressive 12.24% return in the year-to-date period. 1-year return. Over the past year, TQQQ significantly outperformed with a return of 116.47%. 3-year annualized return. TQQQ's 3-year annualized return is 5.07%. 5-year annualized return. TQQQ's 5-year annualized return is 28.09%. 10-year annualized return. Over the last decade, TQQQ yielded an impressive annualized return of 37.34%. Again, 10-year annualized returns are 18.66% per year for QQQ, 30.64% per year for QLD, and 37.34% per year for TQQQ. Showing that TQQQ has the highest return, QLD has the second highest return, and QQQ has the lowest return. However, As we can see in 2022, this is opposite during or right after downturns. From 2021 peak to 2022 bottom, QQQ lost about 37%, while QLD lost 65%, and TQQQ lost 83%. Currently, QQQ is already 10% higher than the 2021 peak, while QLD is 8% lower than the 2021 peak, and TQQQ is 37% lower than the 2021 peak. If you watch our first video, you can learn about volatility decay, psychological stress during market downturns, and higher fees. Thus, it would be interesting to compare QQQ versus QLD versus TQQQ for the long term, such as 30 years. Since I already have the TQQQ challenge, I will only compare QQQ versus QLD here. However, you can indirectly compare with TQQQ as my current TQQQ return is just above 0% now. Every month, I'll invest $500 each in QQQ and QLD for 30 years, adhering to 3 fundamental rules: monthly investment, committing to buying $500 of QQQ and $500 of QLD each month. No sales. Resisting the urge to sell any shares throughout the 30-year period. No margin. Strictly avoiding borrowing money or margin trading. To kick things off, I've purchased $500 of QQQ and $500 of QLD simultaneously this evening. Reflecting on our recent activity, today, on May 9th, I spent $500 to acquire 1.13 shares of QQQ at $441 each. Also, right after buying QQQ, I spent $500 to acquire 5.84 shares of QLD at $85 each. This challenge promises to be an exciting journey, offering real insights into the performance of 1x bull ETF versus 2x bull ETF versus 3x bull ETF. A friendly reminder: this is an entertainment channel, and I'm not a financial advisor. It's crucial to tailor your investment strategy to your unique financial goals and circumstances. Stay tuned for regular updates on the QQQ versus QLD challenge. Thanks for joining me on this adventure.